Welcome to our online classroom. In this video, we will demonstrate how you can incorporate flipped teaching into your classroom. And it'll give you the resources you need to succeed. First, you're going to set up your Edmodo account at www.edmodo.com. Then you're going to create a class list. You can go to groups and create. Name your group. Let's call our group Math Students. And we will say 3rd grade and math. And we are going to create. So then you can invite students to join by giving them a group code, which is right here, F4QTAT. Then students can sign up for Edmodo using this code or join if they have an already existing account with another class. To create an assignment, you'll select assignment and write in the assignment title, fractions is our subject, or is our assignment, and we will describe our assignment as math skills. And we will create a due date. We want them to finish this by the 22nd of October. And if we want to upload links, we press here, which I've already uploaded a link here. If we wanted to do a file, we would press here and upload a file. We can also create a library for ourselves for other classes. We can schedule messages to send students to remind them. We can also create polls and quizzes. Right here, there's a quiz option and polls option. Here I've already completed a lesson for fractions. Right here you have October 21st is the due date, and I've inserted 3 videos, 2 from LearnZillion and 1 from YouTube. And the students will need to watch all 3 videos by the due date. If they click on the link, it should take them right to LearnZillion. And all they have to do is press play and they can watch the lessons that you have inserted.
As you can see, through Edmodo, the first stages of a flipped classroom may be achieved.
Hello, here we have a list of websites that you can use as resources for Edmodo. LearnZillion and YouTube are places where you can get videos on educational subjects and use them as resources for yourself to deepen your sense on a certain subject, as well as to send to your students as a different point of view on how to look at a subject or something that you're teaching in the classroom. SlideShare is a place where you can upload as well as take PowerPoint presentations to use again as a reference in the classroom or on Edmodo for your students. PresentMe is a cool website where you can show a PowerPoint and have yourself talking as well as being seen over the PowerPoint and explaining it while the students are going through it, so they have the visual as well as the audio to go along with the PowerPoint. And Prezi is like a different way of doing a PowerPoint presentation. It's very versatile and it has like a really cool feel to it. You can put YouTube links on there, and that's really neat. So you can take all of these things and download them up to Edmodo and have an awesome online classroom. Creations is basically an online whiteboard where you can record yourself drawing on the whiteboard as well as record yourself talking over yourself drawing on the whiteboard as well as things you've already drawn. So for here an example, I have fractions here I can drag up, and here I have some fractions laid out, and I can have my students tell me which each fraction is, and I've already preset the answers. So I can go like this, 1 over 1, this one's 1 over 2, 3, and 4. And that is an example of how you can use educations to teach fractions in a lesson. Here we have our in-class activity. Online we've been watching your videos on fractions. So here we have an activity the kids can do in class with physical, tangible objects they can use. It's almost like a game of disguise, and they can take their 1 and put on the, like for the thirds for instance, and figure out that 1/3 is 3 in the circle. Same with other ones, they're all different colors and different fractions.
So we are going to work on fractions from what we learned on that video that we watched on Edmodo. So the first question is, Tommy ate 3 pieces of cake and Sarah ate 2 pieces of cake. If there was initially 12 equal-sized slices of cake, what fraction of the cake was eaten? So I want you guys to solve this problem using your block, or your fraction pieces.
Got it. Ms. Cedarwall, I think I figured out this question.
All right.
Tommy ate 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
And Sarah ate 2, 1, 2. That means if there was initially 12 equal slices, that means 5 pieces of cake were eaten.
Very good.